Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today I'm going to share kids' all-time favorite chicken nuggets for you people. You can easily make these at home with fewer ingredients. It requires only two steps. The first one is the chopping and the second is coating and frying. So let's start by taking a chopper and adding chicken boneless 250 gram, washed and pat dry, 2 bread slices, soya sauce 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, and ginger garlic and green chili cube 1 tablespoon, chili sauce 1 teaspoon, it's optional, and the last one, egg. Now chop it well to make a fine paste. Now take a board and grease it with oil 1 to 2 tablespoons almost. Now place the grinded batter and level it with spatula. Here I have used different cookie cutters. And make different shapes as you wish. So next step is to coat. First coat in flour, plain flour, then in beaten eggs, and then in breadcrumbs. I have added a pinch of salt and black pepper in both plain flour and breadcrumbs. You can store these for up to a month. After coating or before coating, it totally depends upon you. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe, give me thumbs up and press bell icon to get notified about all my upcoming new videos. So let's start frying. Preheat the oil and fry at medium to low speed. Give it few minutes until golden brown and fully cooked from inside. So very crunchy from outside and super soft from inside. Delicious chicken nuggets are ready to be served hot. Do give it a try and share your views through comment section. Thanks for your precious time.